parachute. Put the parachute.
Benjamin Lowe, and this is Zero Java, and this is the new parachute. You can fly it anywhere. In the beach. Anywhere. Go hyper with it. Oh my gosh. That doesn't really matter if it breaks, doesn't it? It's raining. Oh my gosh. And we'll also give you something to fasto. And a fake umbrella. A new broken umbrella for you. Isn't that awesome, right? Yeah. Even if it breaks, there's nothing to worry about. We got the repairman to come here. Just call 222-111-2255. You can get the repairman to come and fix it. And he'll also fix your fake umbrella. This is what you'll get. He'll give you your parachute, even if it's broken. And we'll also give you something even cooler that we just told you before. This vessel umbrella. Wow, look at this. It's full of metal. It's good for rain. And we'll give you some Tootsie Rolls. Yeah, satisfied customer. I think when it comes to raining Tootsie Rolls, anytime you want. Look, the best part is what? Here comes another shower of raining Tootsie Rolls. Look, it completely deflects the raining Tootsie Rolls. This is the best product I ever used. Except other than that, let's see what this can help you to get away from bullies. Let's see how. Oh, no, you did it! I'm gonna try to get you! I'll get you next time. This parachute only costs $19.99. $9 shipping and handling. And we'll also give you an umbrella. Oh, this umbrella can harm anyone. It can hurt people in the eye. Like this. Oh, look, hey! Oh, sorry, I don't really care. Oh, I'm enjoying that! Wow! This is a new TV offer. You cannot buy it in any other store. Order now, or else it's too late.